Okay, back to our two-step equations. So again, you want to circle your variable and its coefficient. That's what I need to get by itself, what's inside the circle. What's outside the circle needs to go away. There's a -7. So I'm going to do the opposite. I'm going to add a 7, and I have to do it on both sides. So now I bring down what's in the circle, which is the -2x. These cancel each other out. 11 plus 7 is 18. Now it's just a one-step equation. Isolate by dividing both sides. I think x is -9. Let's check it. So go to the original problem. -2, instead of x, put the answer in its place. We're multiplying those. Subtract the 7, bring down the 11. We multiply first. Negative times negative is positive. 2 times 9 is 18. Bring down the -7 and the 11. 18 minus 7 is 11. 11 does equal 11, so now I can write the answer, which is x equals -9.